What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another live trading video. We're sitting here on March 25th looking at our top two movers on the morning, APOP and HWCC. Let's quickly look through the news here. News for APOP, it's just some buzz news. Back on the 24th, it announced a strategic merger with another company. I don't even see the name of the company right now. Merger with Quinn Pharmaceuticals or something like that. Well, we have to see. It is low float. It did give quite a move. It broke the trend here, but we're gonna have to see where the new bottom is. We have about 30 seconds, or wait, more than 30 seconds, 40 seconds until the bell rings. It is in a descending candle now, so we're going to be watching it. You're going to be watching it. And with the opening up this high, I don't know how far it can actually drop. Maybe back to VWAP, which is down here at the 534, which is still quite a ways down. But let's just watch and see. 10 seconds left. The market is open. Got a big push up right there. Huge push up right there. A lot of buyers coming in there. We're going to let these first couple of minutes play out. Yeah, a nice little pullback right there. Could not hold up that high that it had previously breached. Getting back up there though. All right, let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. Can it hold up this previous, the 80s or the 90s is the question. There's the pullback. Okay. High is a 605. $606 buy. 605, 606. I'll step in there, 606. If it'll put the order out there, there it is. Low of this count is a 571. Getting a little movement up there. It's looking like I can't really get out. Okay. Nice little move right there. Sold some. It's kind of taking its time getting me out of there though. Sold some more right there. Says I have 10 shares left. Looking for that push of the 50. Didn't get it. 5 shares left. Okay, all out right there. Looking for another setup here through the 50 possibly. Okay, let's get ready to do this. May need to wait for a pullback here. It's kind of looking heavy. Yep. Yeah, that's looking heavy right there. Heavy at the 50 right there. big drop right there, big pop up. Still watching. Watching and waiting. Okay, the 610 looking like a nice place to be in. 610. I'm gonna let a dead cat bounce first. It's a big move down. Struggling to hold up that 6. There is a 610. Okay, nice little moves right there. It's not giving us our dead cat bounce yet. Top side of this high is a 14. Might go in small sheer size if we can hold up that 6, which it did not. Did not hold up the 6 for us. Top side high is a 614, 616. Size down a bit. Low here is a 583. That's I'm gonna make that the 6. Okay, getting back up there. Use this as my new low, 604. Love to see the break of the 25 here. Okay, got me out right there. High here is the 630s. $626 is where we would like to see it snap through. Use this as my low, 612. Okay, in right there. See if it can get a little push there. See if it can challenge that top up there. Top is a 650. All right, nice. Go ahead and take off some right up there. Took all off right there. Very quick take over the top. 650 becoming resistance. All right, let's see if we can get a motion down or no. 650s, 660s, 661. Ooh, it's got to pull back a little bit. Ooh, wow. 670s. Looking crazy here. 671. Let's see if it can get back in there. Looking for the break back into the 70s. Okay, getting weak right there. Nice topping tail. Okay, 70s may be coming back into play. Let's see. Looking for that 70 rip. Low of this candle is the 40s. So 50s would have to be out. 60s is a 10-cent risk. Taking a little bit of time here. Going down. Very sporadic stock. Okay, I'm in there. I'll be out at the 60. It drops down. Out right there. Not looking too friendly for the longs here. Wait for a pullback. E-knob is also moving. Doesn't look as good though. So we'll stick up here to APOP. Let it pull back real quick. See how far you want to pull back. Bottom here is a 641. Want to see it back over the 671 level. 671 be a nice spot. Has a bottom here. I'll use this 50, 60 level once I'm in. In there. Be out at the 60, risking 10 cents. Getting up there, doing a little movement. Taking profit in the 90s. Moving up to the 75. See if it can get a little push here into the 90s. Nice. Took one. And I'll put the rest at the 75 there. 85. Took off right there. Looked a little bit weak. Didn't like that look it just gave me. Let's see it slam down. Break the 90s. There it is. Break of the 90s right there. This is our new low. We can take a quick scalp through the 7. So a 701 break. Quick scalp. Not really seeing it. Low here is the 681, so 690s I'll have to get out. See if it breaks down at 85. Sellers, will it break back down to 90s? Okay. Not liking that pattern right there. It's looking for a 7-1. The low of this is the 690s, so we're good to go for the stop out. 690s breaking down there. Not really liking that it keeps cracking that 90. But it keeps getting bought up though. $7 right there. Out at the 690. Very quick little trade. Did not like that pullback that it did to the 690. Got a little bit more reprieve bounce there. Man, there's a lot of lines on this chart that I need to get rid of. Starting to look confusing. Definitely moving up though. Definitely gave me some nice moves, some nice little quick trades. All right, APOP. What do we want to do from here? It's close to VWAP through the 1-minute 9 EMA. Has not given a proper pullback on the 5-minute yet. So we'll watch it and see what it wants to do. I took some okay trades on that one. Took some profits. 30 cents of profit. Kept my losers very small today. Very small. 10 cents exactly. Okay. Nice little pullback right here. HW, that's nothing. Not gonna trade that one. So got a couple of minutes on this candle, on this 5-minute candle here. We're gonna be watching. See how low it can go. The high here is a 660, so back through the 661. I'll take a quick grab. 661 for that dead cat bounce. Top side 661. I'll use this as my low. 650s. Looking for that nice dead cat bounce here. Did not give it to us. Will it break the bottom there? Did not break the bottom. 650 is our out. Breaking down right there. Okay, get that nice pop through. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that order. I don't want it just sitting out there. Looks like it's popping the bottom right there. We got to see a bounce back up. Give us some green for a new entry. Through the 650, I'll be willing to take one. 50, 650 break. Now the top side of this 5-minute is a 656, so that's where I'll be looking. 657. Continues to push down though. This is a higher high. The low 630s, 640. I have to get out. Popped up there to the 9. 660s. 660s is looking better. 661. Low here, 50s. 57, so 40. I had to get out. See if it can give us a nice little push up here. Did not do it. New bottom is VWAP 44. Be out very quickly if it can't give us a little bit of a push. Okay, there's a little bit, couple of cents, not much though. Into the 70s, I'll probably be taking a little bit. Let's see if it can push up there into the 70s. Possible. Low here is the 47. So I'll go ahead and move my stop up there to the 47. Looking like it's already pulling back to me. Out right there. So that's a nice risk management with the stop losses. Okay, IMMP is now selling, looking for a pullback here. Top side of this high is the 360. 360, we can take very quick shares here. Letting it pull back a little bit. It is extended, so I don't want to buy on this candle if it just rips. Need a little bit of consolidation. Big red candle coming. Can this stay red? All right, that 361, very quick take here. 361. Let's see it stay above. This high is a 355, 356. $356, looking like I want to take that one. Now get out on this little low here, 344. Let's see what it wants to do up here. Risking 10 cents here. Looking for another add point. Looking to move up to break even here. Break even is a 350.56. Mm, 361 could be an add spot. $361. Looking for it to push through those back into those 60s. Out right there. Cancel that. APOP going on down. It did pop back up. So 360 was the entry. It did blow through that. It just stopped me out and popped back up. So let's continue watching it. It's a very choppy stock as well. 370s, getting a nice little pullback right there. I'm looking for that 371. If it can pull back one more time below that 71. Oops. Well, come on, exit. Alright, I was looking for that 371. Needs to pull back. I looked at the 376 then. Break of that 75 there. And it keeps on getting up there before I even hit the button. Jesus Christ. Alright. Getting on up there. '80s. Looking like it wants to go for the 90s. Kind of looking like it wants to pull back. Let's look at the 90s though. Yeah, there's a little bit of pullback right there. Yep. See where it pulls back to. See top of this 83. Let's watch it. Back into the 90s is where I'm watching. Lot of red bar coming in there. All right, top side of this 82. And real heavy there. 82, 83, 84. And like it's pulling back quite a bit. 84 level, 25 shares, 84 level. Looking forward to get back up there. Use this as the low, 70. Looking forward to push it. Breaking that 75, I don't like that. Alright, it's holding up to 75. It's looking for that 84 break. Okay, in there. Have my stop out ready to go. In at the 84. Where's this stop out? The 70. It's getting a little heavy here. Yep. May come out and stop me out. Yep. Got me right there. APOP still down. HWCC still doing its thing down there. Love to see it back above the 70s here. Will it break VWAP? VWAP is at the 557. Give us that dead cat entry. Going down, breaking VWAP, breaking the lows. Yep, none of these are looking good. It's 9 o'clock. 4 minutes till 9 o'clock, or 4 minutes till 10 o'clock Eastern. IMMP giving a small little bounce there, but this 5 minute just looks really bad. Alright, IMP giving a dead cat bounce. Let's see where this stops. This high is at the 354 right now. If it breaks down to 350, I'll go look at something else. Holding up that 350 right there. This may be a grinder throughout the day, because it's barely moving, but it is moving upward. So I'm looking for that 60, 61 again. High is the 359 there. 366. Maybe an entry, but I don't really know on this one. It's been playing around, chopping around a lot. Waiting on APOP to try to make another move. Over the 6 right there, got a nice pop. The VWAP is at the 635. So we'll continue watching APOP for now. It's the best looking stock for right now. So it did find a little bottom down here. Support right here at the 570s. Looking for it to start reversing that trend if it can. Right now we got a trend line right through here. It did break that trend a little bit right there. So let's see if it can hold out of this trend right here. Giving a pullback right here. IMMP fading. Okay, so the top of this high is a 14,615, 616. Is definitely going down. Broke the 6. Will it break back into this trend or stay out? Getting all the way down there. The bottom here is a 570. It needs to hold above. It needs to hold out of this trend though. 79, 80s. Way down there. It's got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna go and look at something else while it's figuring out what it wants to do. IMMP. APOP going negative on the day, going red. Did break that bottom and got back into that trend a little bit. So yeah, that's not good. We'll leave that one alone. IMMP trying to pull back up. See if it can reverse trend. VWAP is at the 355. Want to see it get up to the 355 and hold. We can play a VWAP break here. Or maybe it's too late. Looking for a pullback now. What does it want to do here? Top side of this candle was the 69, so the 70. Start to build a position here. Looking for pullbacks now. Dip entries. One of my orders is already out there. Okay. Looking for pullback entries now. Got this bottom here. Support. Right there. Support down here to 338s. Looking for a new bottom to form. $338. Be out right there. Let's see. Let's watch and see what this bad boy wants to do. Next entry high back into the 70s. 71. Add some more. Right there, add it. Looking for the new low to form at some point. $20 shares. Got a pretty good add point. 338 is my exit. For those 20 shares. Look for a little pop there. Nice. So we got a new exit here. A new low. Looking for a higher, even higher low to form. So I put my support here. Looking for a new add spot. Add back into the 70s. 71. Oops. Okay, it did not allow me to add right there. Love to see it break this 5-minute high of the 78. Buyers coming on in there. I will need to move up to this low here of the 355. That way I'll be risking just a few cents. 355 is my new out. Touching the 80s. Can we get over this last 85? I'll be taking over the 85. See if we can blow those shorts out of there. Looking for the 85 break. Needs to get back over this high of the 78 though. 78. We need to see a 78 break. There we go. Can we touch the 85s? Quite a little dip there. Trying to get back past that 75. Looking for the 85s here. Can we push? Buyers coming in there. 85 push. Okay, nice. We'll use this as our out. This low of the 370s. 375 now. Looking for a little bit of continuation here. 375. Now this is a green trade no matter what. Alright. So I'm going to start popping off some because it definitely got too extended right there. Pop some right there. Now hold the rest, let's see, to the 75, 80, 90, 80 mark. So the other 10 I'll be holding Nice trade there. Nice trade there. Like it. 386 bucks left. IMP is giving some moves. We got a little pullback here to the 382. So I'll put my support here. $390s. So a break back over the 4 may be the spot to beat. 405, 406 level. 406 looking like it's pulling back a little bit. 406, we'll go in small share size just to not to risk a whole lot. Nine, 10. Top side of this is the 398. So the 401 is where I'm looking now. Seeing if it'll hold up this low of the 383. Got 15 seconds left. 401 coming into play. Be out at the 390. Definitely got pushed down right there by the shorts. HWCC got a nice little downtrend there. It did make a higher low here. You can hold up that 75, that would be great. The low was a 68, so we're gonna have to wait. Looking like it's pushing down through the VWAP, or it wants to. This is a higher low though. Looking for it to hold up the VWAP, did not do it. Man, I'm losing my voice. What's wrong with me? HWCC still struggling as well. There's not a lot of volume on it. Okay, so we did get a little bounce here. Top side 76 break. Take very quick profits through the 76. 76, I'll be out at the 66. Pushing on down there. Risking 10 cents on this try. Be out at the 66. 10 cents on this try. The high here is the 76 once again. $76 did push through right there. 66, I'll be out. Low here, break even. Where's my break even line? See, 376 is break even. So try for 378. Risking 10 cents here. Getting back up there. The high is the 83. So 81 add. Add back into the 80s. Okay, got in right there. All right, let's get ready to start taking off. We are in the back side of the move. All out right there. Nice little takeaway right there. 90s. Looking for a 90 push. 91. Looking kind of heavy right there. For that 91 push. Take quick profits. Be out at the 81. All right, getting a nice little push down right there. I don't think it's gonna make it back up to me. Be out at the 81 if it can push to 91. Looking to be out at the 81. All right. I'll add again at the 91. Or no, I won't, because it's going. Moving up. Low of this candle is the 81. Risking 10 cents here. Love to see it push this high of the $4. If we push through the 4, I'll take. Okay. Push through the 4, just follow the plan. $4 resistance. High is a 410. Looking for a little bit more of a pullback than that. There it is. CGIX. What is the news on this kid? Approval, cancer genetics. Instantly popped off my scanner. Keep my eye on IMMP. We got about a couple of minutes left on the stream. This one is quite low float though. Proposed merger. So this is another merger one. I don't know if I want to take it. Definitely doesn't have the volume. Alright, so this is our dead cat bounce. High is the 95. So I'll be looking for a quick take at the 96 if it can hold up. Nope. Nice little explosion down, but it is forming a higher low. So we put our support line down here. This may be a low, but I don't like lows on green candles. Don't like that volume story. APOP, what are you doing? Oh, okay, it's still under. Still way down there. But it is working its way back up. Looks like it found a true low down here. So we'll see if it can start making higher lows. But it is looking good though. IMMP, we're still waiting to see what it wants to do. Is it gonna fade? Yep, breaking on down right there. Has some supports down here, but those supports are not looking like they're gonna hold up. It's breaking down the VWAP, broke down the 9 on the 1 minute. Let's see if it can break the VWAP and the 9 on the 5 minute. APOP, we're gonna wait and see what it's doing. Has a high here of the 587. This is a higher low that was formed here. So we'll draw that support, new low here. The high is the 587. So I'm looking for a 591. Very small share size just to stay safe. 591, I'll be out at the 81. See if it breaks that support down. Yeah, that's not good. All right, cancel that order. Cancel all of that. IMMP, getting back up there. Wow. Break of the 410s, 410, 411. Another big pullback there. Get in at 411. I'll have to get out at the 401. I'll risk it. 401. Looking like it's gonna need to do a pullback. Yep. Big pullback right there. All the way through the $4. I'll go ahead and cancel my order. Don't like that pullback there. CGIX. Was this the one I was just looking at? Yeah. All right. This one definitely is already extended. So you got to be careful with these. A daily chart has a top side of the 750s. 750 resistance. IMMP getting on back up there. That 411 looking better and better. 411. I'll be out at the 401. Another wick, big wick here. Don't like that motion at all. Cancel that order. Looking very weak. Okay, back out here to CGIX. Top side, this high is a 708, 709. 709. Take 10 shares of that. $708, $709. Looking like a good place to be in. $709. I risk the 690s. Buyers coming in there heavy. 709, 690s is where I'm at. We out down here at the 690s, looking for a push back into the 715s. See what it can do here. 690s, 710, 690s is too much. It should be at the $7. Yep, out right there. IMP wicking up. Do not like it. It is on a trend though. Trend upward here. It's looking very heavy. PRQR. No real news on the day. IMMP is just a little bit tight for me. Doing a lot of ripping. Back through that $4 though. It's tried it a couple of times. 411. It's looking like the spot it wants to go. CGIX is holding up here. High of this candle is the 713s. Let's see if it breaks down or not. Okay. Breaking down those lows. Alright, let's try for a 401 break again on this one. 401. Because it's looking like it's just riding up. Use this as my low. 401, 390, so it'll have to be the out. Okay, in there. 390s will have to be my out. Looking for a push up. Through the highs of the 410, I will be taking. Through the 410, I'll have to take. Risking 10 cents here. Looking for that pop through the 410. Can we see it? Getting up there to the $4. We want to see the 401. 5 seconds left on this candle. Can it pop that high? Okay, nice. Looking for that 410. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. That was a quick little downward movement. Put me right back. Wow. Got out right there. 10 cents. Very quick little mover right there. CGIX failing. Alright, through the 75. Be another $0.25 break, but it is extended right now. I'll let that one pull back. I don't like the way it's looking right now. IMMP got out of that one. CGIX fading. This kid right here just refuses to stop. Looking for the pullback. holding up those 70s. There it is. Okay, there's a big splash down. I did not do any kind of research on this one. PRQR. PRQR. Shelf last year. Shelf last year float is 36 million. All right, IMMP. What are we looking like? Failed the trend. CGIX look like it's coiling. But I don't know if it can find a true bottom here. PRQ top side high is the 85, 86 level. We can get yeah, let's do that. 86 level. We're gonna take a very quick little trade here. In there, getting on up there. We got in at the 88, so 98 we got, or 78 we got to be out. 78, looking for a little bit more. Can we break that 9? That's what I want to see. Let's see that break of that 9. I mean the $8. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, nice. Looking to take through the 8. That was a very quick little stab right there. High of the $8, $7.90 becoming the out. Got out right there. It's very volatile. I couldn't really leave it in there for a while. 90s, $8 break, $8, $50. Oh, it did break it. I can't deal with a stock that's moving like that. I cannot deal. All right, so I'm gonna close it up here. Today was a nice trading day. It is a green day. Close it up here. Let's look at my realized gains and losses. Realized gains and losses. Biggest takes were around 34 cents on APOP, 30 cents on IMMP, and then a couple of other gainers there. Then we took some red trades on APOP. I know one thing, with the way that I'm managing the risk inside the candles now, it is definitely helping me out to really, I guess, capitalize on these moves. This thing, I was in at the $8. It pushed all the way up. That's what I don't like about these ones that move slow. Slow movers. High of this is 36.41. I don't even know if I want it right here. Looks like I did want it. Hold up the 50s. Barely moving cents here. That's what I don't like about it. It took it 3 candles just to get up here. Very, very volatile stock right there. And it's the only one still on the scanner. $60s. Now it's going to give a true pullback. Let's see how far this pullback goes. I may try some dip buys. Let's see. 50. Broke that. See if we can get a better pullback than that. 30 seconds left on this candle. There it is. There's a lot of pullback. Okay. There. That was a big pullback. Trying to hold up that 25 right there. 5 seconds left on this candle. Do not like the direction it's going. I'm not going to buy that. Looking for more red. High of this candle was a 45. Going down there, breaking. Low of this candle is 808, 807. $846. See this candle close. $846, $836. I have to be out. Continues to break. Cancel that order. High is the 840s. 841. $841. Looking for the 31 exit. Going down there. $31 exit. 41 break is what we're looking for. Getting some nice consolidation here. Top side of this guy is a 39, so I'm still in a good spot. There's no way. There's no wait. There's no way. Okay, $60. 7. Okay, so I guess I can get that. Alright, heading down there. Has not given us any green yet. So not looking too good there. This will be the dead cat bounce. I don't want to buy on this candle. PQR. Got about 20 minutes left. We're gonna let this dead cat bounce. The first green bar failing 394. Let's see if it can give us a new entry. High of this candle is 814, 821. That means I have to get out at the 8 entry 821, high 19. I'll be getting out at the 11 here. It's 10 cents. Okay, looking for it to stay above 11. Did get me out right there. Top here is the high of the 830, 831. Looking like it wants to go down. I'm waiting very patiently. Break of the 25 again is where I would like to see, what I would like to see. 25, 26, that means I have to be out at the 16. Be out down there at the 16. Looking for it to get volatile. 36. Needs to stay above. If it can push above these levels here, the 40, 840, risking 10 cents here. Got out right there, very small. All right, well, those are the trades for today, and I am done. Managed my risk very well, especially on those last couple of trades. Kept it around that 10-cent loss, and my winners, I kept some pretty good sized winners here. So anyway, that is it for the stream today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.